Hello, and welcome back to English Audio, the place to improve your English. Just by listening, we read clear and slow English to help beginners. Today, we have a very special quote to talk about. It is from a man of peace. His name was Mahatma Gandhi. He said, "Learn as if you will live forever, live like you will die tomorrow." Let's say that one more time. Learn as if you will live forever. Live like you will die tomorrow. This is a very deep idea. It sounds like a contradiction. How can we live forever and die tomorrow? Let's break it down. Section 1. The problem. Waiting for later. Many people live in the future. They say, "I will be happy later. I will learn English next year. I will travel when I retire." They are always waiting. This is a trap. We think we have endless time. But time is passing now. Also, many people are afraid. They fear the future. They ask, what if I fail? What if it is too hard? This fear stops them from starting. So they do nothing. They wait for a perfect day. But the perfect day never comes. This makes us feel sad. It makes us feel stuck. Section 2. The solution. Balance. Gandhi gives us a solution. It is about balance. Life has two parts. Part 1 is learning. Part 2 is living. Let's look at part 1. Learn as if you will live forever. What does this mean? It means be patient. Learning takes a long time. Imagine you will live 1,000 years. You have time to learn everything. You can learn English. You can learn piano. You can learn to cook. Do not rush. Do not say I am too old. Do not say it is too late. If you live forever, it is never too late. Keep your mind open. Be curious like a child. Now look at part 2. Live like you will die tomorrow. What does this mean? It means act now. Do not wait for later. Enjoy this moment. Be kind today. Be happy today. If today is your last day, would you be angry? No. Would you worry? No. You would love. You would smile. You would do what matters. Section 3. Key Lesson 1. The long road. Let's talk about learning English. This is the live forever part. Learning English is a long road. It does not happen in 1 week. Many students give up. They say, I am not fluent yet. It is taking too long. But Gandhi says, relax. Learn as if you have forever. Enjoy the process. Learn 1 word today. Learn 1 rule tomorrow. Do not stress about the end. Imagine a tree. A tree grows very slowly. You cannot see it grow. But one day, it is huge. Your English is a tree. Just water it every day. Trust that it is growing. This mindset removes pressure. It makes learning fun. You are building something big. Something that lasts. Section 4. Key Lesson 2. The present moment. Now let's talk about living. Live like you will die tomorrow. This is about action. If you might die tomorrow, you will not be lazy today. You will speak English today. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak with mistakes. It is okay. Connect with people now. Say hello to someone. Write that email. Listen to that song. Do not save joy for later. Use your English to enjoy life. Read a funny story. Watch a good movie. English is not just homework. It is a tool for living. It connects you to the world. If you wait until you are fluent, you might wait 10 years. That is 10 years of missed joy. Start living in English today. Section 5. A story of 2 students. Let me tell you a story. Imagine two students, Ben and Sarah. Ben is a worrier. He studies grammar all day. He says, "I will speak when I am ready. I will travel when I am perfect." He does not enjoy English. He is stressed. He is bored. He is waiting for the future. Sarah is different. She knows very little English, but she uses it every day. She learns slowly. Live forever. She reads 1 page a day, but she also acts quickly. Die tomorrow. She meets a tourist. She says, "Hello, how are you?" She makes a mistake. She laughs. She sings English songs in the shower. She is happy now. Who is more successful? Sarah is successful because she is living. Ben is just preparing to live. Be like Sarah. Section 6. How to start today. How can you use this quote? I have a simple plan. Step 1. Set a forever goal. Pick something big to learn, like master English vocabulary. Know that it takes years. Accept it. Be patient. Step 2. Take tomorrow action. Do something fun today. Use your English immediately. Call a friend. Watch a funny video. Write a comment on this video. Say hello to us. Do not wait. Step 3. Stop worrying. When you worry about the future, remember the quote. You are learning for forever, so you have time. You are living for today, so you have joy. Worry has no place here. Section 7. The gift of curiosity. When you learn forever, you become curious. Curiosity keeps you young. It makes your brain strong. Always ask why. Why do they say that? What does this word mean? Never stop asking. Even if you are 80 years old, keep learning. And when you live for today, you become grateful. You see the beauty. You appreciate the small things. A good cup of coffee. A kind word. A new English word. This balance creates a good life. Section 8. Conclusion. So let's remember Mahatma Gandhi. He was a man of action. He changed the world. He learned every day. And he lived fully every day. Learn as if you will live forever. Be patient. Keep growing. Live like you will die tomorrow. Be brave. Take action. Do not wait for the future. Create it today. Start your journey now. Open your book. Speak your truth. Live your life. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.